Hello guys, we start the new topic, that is phenols. Actually our main topic is alcohols, phenols and ethers. What is our name of the topic? Alcohol, phenol and ethers. Out of that we have completed this one, that is alcohols. Right now we are dealing with the phenols. So what is mean by phenol or what is mean by carbolic acid? Phenols are also called as carbolic acid. Phenols are also called as carbolic acid. Why phenols are called as acids? Because when phenol donate H plus ions, when phenol donates H plus ion in a solution, the conjugate base of phenolic, a conjugate base of phenoxide can be well stabilized by resonance effect. So phenol is called as acidic phenol. Phenol is, what is the nature of phenol? Phenols are acidic in nature. So basically we'll discuss definition of phenol, we'll discuss classifications of phenol, and we will discuss in this lecture methods of preparation of phenols. What is the another name of phenol? Phenols are also called as carbolic acids. Phenols are also called as carbolic acids. So definition. So what is phenol? When hydrogen atom of aromatic ring, any aromatic ring, benzene, it may be benzene, it may be naphthalene, it may be anthracene. When there is a one ring, it is called as benzene. When there is a two ring, it is called as naphthalene. When there is a three ring, it is called as anthracene molecule. When hydrogen atom of aromatic ring, see, aromatic ring contains 6 hydrogen atom. This benzene ring contains 6 hydrogen atom. When any hydrogen of aromatic ring is replaced by hydroxyl group, is called as phenols, or it is also called as aromatic hydroxyl derivative called as phenols. So what is phenols? Phenols are aromatic hydroxyl derivative. So we'll discuss second part, that is classification of phenols. So classification of phenols is according to the number of hydroxyl group attached to the aromatic ring. So we'll discuss one by one. First classification is monohydric derivative. What is first classification? First classification is monohydric. Mono means single hydroxyl group. Second one dihydric. Third trihydric phenols. So first one, this is your phenol. This is monohydric phenol. See, in the all examples only one OH is present. In the dihydric alcohol there are two OHs present in aromatic ring, and in trihydric alcohol, trihydric phenols, there are 3 hydroxyl group present on the aromatic ring. So we'll discuss one by one. This is called as phenol. When naphthalene containing second position. So naphthalene has two positions. First is alpha position and second is beta position. If OH is present at this position, called as alpha naphthol or 2-naphthol. You may call it as alpha naphthol or 2-naphthol. And this one is called as cresol. When orthohydroxytoluene, metahydroxytoluene, parahydroxytoluene, these are common name of this compound is cresol. So these two substituents are, or two carbons are, two substituents are adjacent position, ortho position. So it is called as ortho position. So it is 1,3 position. This is 1,4 position. 1,2 cresol, 1,3 cresol, 1,4 cresol. You may call it as ortho cresol, metacresol or paracresol. These are the nomenclature of compounds. So second, dihydric alcohol. So ortho dihydroxy benzene. Ortho dihydroxy benzene. This molecule is 1-2 positions are substituted by OH. But how many times? 2 times. So it is called as 1,2 dihydroxy benzene. What is the common name of molecule? Molecule is also called as catechol. Molecule is also called as catechol. Second molecule is called as resorcinol. Third molecule is called as quinol. Next one, trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol मध्ये in which first molecule is 1. So these substituents are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the substitution? Substitutions at 1, substitution at 3, substitutions at 5 positions. So substitution at 1, 3, 3, 5. So what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? Benzene 1,3,5. What is the IUPAC name of molecule? Benzene 1,3,5. 1,3,5-triol. Benzene 1,3,5-triol, or a common name of the compound is fluoroglucinol. What is the common name of molecule? Fluoroglucinol. Same here. So 1, 2, 3 positions are substituted. What is the name of molecule is? Molecule is paragalol. What is the name of molecule? Pyrogalol, or you may call it as benzene. Benzene 1, 2, 3. Benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. Benzene 1, 2, 3 triol is the name of molecule. After that, we will discuss methods of preparation of aromatic compounds, that is phenol. In which first method we will discuss, that is preparation of phenols with the help of dose process. Actually, there are different methods for the preparation of phenol. First one, will prepare phenol. First, we will prepare phenol from dose process. Second, we will prepare phenol from cumene. This is industrial method for the preparation of phenol. Third, preparation of phenol from Raschig method. Fourth, preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. These are the prominent methods for the preparation of phenol from the different derivatives. We'll discuss. Let's discuss one by one methods of preparation of phenols from different derivatives. We'll discuss one by one. First method, dose process. It is preparation of phenol. Dose process is preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene molecule. So what is dose process? Dose process is preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene via sodium hydroxide. So we'll discuss one by one. When chlorobenzene is reacted with sodium hydroxide, chlorobenzene when reacted with sodium hydroxide at 613 Kelvin with 300 atmospheric pressure, initially it directly attack of OH is taking place at this chlorine position. So it will directly from OH. But what happened? Due to the presence of sodium ion, it forms salt in the intermediate step. This is called as salt. But after acidifying this salt, you may take HCl or you may take S3O plus. Due to the acidifying condition, this OH, O minus, this is O minus, O minus abstract the proton of any acid, this one or this one, abstract the proton of this acid to form phenol as a derivative. So this is two-step method. In first step, we are forming phenoxide ion, and in second step, due to the acidifying condition, we are preparing phenol from phenoxide ion. So this is process. In this process, we are heating the chlorobenzene molecule at 613 Kelvin temperature. This is your first method. We will discuss second method. Second method is preparation of phenol. Preparation of phenol from Raschig process. Preparation of phenol from Raschig process. In new textbook, in the new syllabus of HSC board, it is not given. But in the previous syllabus, the Raschig method is given. That is best method for the preparation of phenol, or it is simplest method. It is in the name of scientist. We'll take this one also. According to the old syllabus, according to the new syllabus, this process is not there. But it is important work for competitive examination. So when chlorobenzene is reacted with water molecules in presence of calcium Ca3PO4 twice, in presence of calcium phosphate at 698 Kelvin. So what happened at 698 Kelvin? Is there presence of water? No, there is a presence of steam. Because what is the boiling point of water? So it is 100 degrees Celsius. So above 100 degrees Celsius, water is not present in the liquid state. It is present in the steam. So chlorine is substituted by OH to form phenol. This is chlorobenzene. This is second method for preparation of. This is second method for the preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene. So in this method, we are using calcium phosphate as a catalyst for the molecules. We can use silicon oxide, that is SiO2, as a catalyst. We can also use catalyst for the reaction, or we can also use copper in presence of copper as a catalyst in presence of 673 Kelvin temperature. Can also use copper as a catalyst at 673 Kelvin temperature. This method is called as Raschig method. Third, from benzene sulfonic acid. What is benzene sulfonic acid? This molecule is called as benzene sulfonic acid. So it can be obtained by sulfonation of benzene. When benzene is substituted to the sulfuric acid, you will get benzene sulfonic acid. When benzene sulfonic acid reacted with sodium hydroxide, this is acidic in nature. Sodium hydroxide is basic in nature. So acid when reacted with base, what is the name of reaction? The name of reaction is neutralization reaction. So it will form salt in this intermediate step by acid plus base. You will get salt plus water. So water as a byproduct in this reaction. So we can write to the negative on arrow. So it forms sodium benzene sulfonate. What it forms? It forms sodium benzene sulfonate in the intermediate step. When this molecule is reacted with sodium hydroxide at 573 Kelvin temperature with fused condition, you will get sodium phenoxide ion as an intermediate, which on acidifying condition you will get phenols as a derivative. So it is two-step reaction. This is first step. This is your second step. Preparation of phenol. Next method, method number 4, preparation of phenol from cumene. Cumene is also called as, so this is cumene molecule. What is the common name for molecule? Is cumene. What is the IUPAC? It is isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. So this is isopropyl benzene molecule. Isopropyl means CS3. So second position of propane is substituted with benzene ring. So it is isopropyl benzene. Second position of benzene is substituted with or 2-propyl benzene. When it reacted with air or when it reacted with oxygen with cobalt naphthalene as a catalyst at 423 Kelvin temperature in an alkaline medium, that is in basic medium. So what happened? So this oxygen is inserted in this CH bond to form hydroxide molecules. So it forms peroxide molecules. So this is called as cumene hydroperoxide. So what is peroxide? H2O2. H2O2 is called as hydrogen peroxide. What is the name of H2O2? H2O2 is called as hydrogen peroxide. So but one hydrogen atom of this peroxide is replaced by cumene molecule. So this is your cumene molecule. So it is called as cumene hydroperoxide. So what is the nomenclature of compound? So this is cumene hydroperoxide molecule. So when cumene hydroperoxide reacted with acidic condition, so what happened in this acidic medium? So this intramolecular nucleophilic substitution happens in this molecule. So this OH attacks on this position, you will get substitution of OH at benzene ring, and CS3C double bond OCS3, that is acetone, that is used as a byproduct in this reaction. That is acetone as a byproduct in this reaction, called as preparation of phenol from commercial method or preparation of phenol from cumene. This reaction is widely utilizing. Last one, preparation of phenol from aniline. So what is the reaction for preparation of phenol from acidic? What is diazotization reaction? When aniline containing NH2 group, aniline is also called as aminobenzene. What is the common name? It is aniline. or aniline. Aniline reacted with diazotizing mixture, that is HNO2 in presence of HCl at 5 degrees 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, or you can write 273 Kelvin, 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. So at this temperature, this diazotizing mixture NaNO2, NaNO2 in presence of HCl, or you can directly write HNO2, because the mixture of NaNO2 plus HCl, because the mixture of NaNO2 plus HCl, what it forms? It forms HNO2 plus NaCl. Actually, HNO2 is prepared in situ of reaction. We have already discussed the concept of in situ in the topic of alcohol, in the topic of alkyl halide. What is in situ? It is prepared in between the reaction, and that time it is utilized, called as in situ. So when NaNO2 reacted with HCl, it forms HNO2. We are requiring this molecule only. So diazotization is taking place. So azo group is formed on the benzene ring. What is azo? N double or triple bond N. So here formation of N triple bond N. So what is the valency of this centralized nitrogen? 4. It is excess valency, so positive charge at rest with this nitrogen. Last nitrogen in neutral due to the presence of 3 bond. So what happened? So this compound is formed. What is the name of compound? Benzene di. What is the name of compound? Benzene diazonium. Diazonium with salt? Chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride plus water molecule as a byproduct in this reaction, plus H2O as a byproduct. How many moles? 2 moles. So this is an intermediate. When this molecule reacted with water molecule in presence of H plus ions, that is in H2SO4, it forms phenol. It forms phenol as a derivative. It forms phenol as derivative. So plus formation of nitrogen gas and N2 gas and HCl evolved in this reaction. So what we discussed in this topic, what we discussed? We have discussed in this video about what are phenols. Second, we have discussed about classification of phenol. Third point, we discussed preparation of phenol from different derivative. In that, what we have discussed? We have discussed first method, that is dose process. Second method which we discussed about Raschig method for the preparation of phenol. Third method, what we discussed? Third method, that is preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid, preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Fourth method which we discussed? Fourth method from cumene, preparation of phenol from cumene. And fifth method, preparation of phenol from diazotization. So we have discussed 5 methods for preparation of phenol from the different derivatives. Thank you.